Welcome to Tech Flyer. Today we'll show you a simple way to send announcements, invitations, updates, or business promotions to many contacts at once and save your precious time. Instead of messaging each person one by one, you can use WhatsApp's broadcast feature. Here's how. First, open WhatsApp and click on the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu, select New Broadcast. Now, select the contacts you want to add. You can add as many as you need according to your requirements. Once you're done, click on the tick mark. Congratulations! Your broadcast list is now created. Whenever you send a message to this list, it will be delivered directly and privately into each contact's inbox without them knowing who else received it. It's quick, it's professional, and it makes communication super easy. Plus, you can even edit your broadcast list anytime. Just add or remove contacts whenever you want. This feature is perfect for businesses, teachers, or anyone managing a large group. So start using WhatsApp Broadcast today and make your communication smarter and faster with Tech Flyer. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.